Here's a sample of when you get a decal and it won't come off the backer. Just burnish it back down, turn it over, burnish the back. Then lift the corner of the backer and work your way back. Just work your way down. What you're doing is what we refer to as a pre-release, because once you get it loose, you're going to take and lay it back down. Now you have it released all the way to here. Take it over to your wall, tape it where you want it, and then when you peel this back, it'll all come right off real nice and easy. And with it taped to the wall where you want it, you'll be able to stick it wherever you want it. Burnish it down. This is a very dirty wall in the shop. It hasn't been cleaned. And then just pull her down. The reason I pointed out that it was a dirty wall is because the dust on the wall makes it very difficult for vinyl to stick. Dust is one of the #1 things that will cause your decal to not adhere properly. And right next door to this workstation is the wood saw for cutting up sign blanks. There you have it. It wouldn't come off the backer. And now you know the procedure, the little trick for that. Have a good one.